Okay, let's see if this works out. Let's see here. Oops. Okay. So why is it still out of sync? Doggone it. I have no clue what's different because I haven't done any different. Still think it's out of sync for some reason. And I have no clue why. Okay, so does it still look out of sync? Let me know. That is, there's nobody watching here right this second, but I don't know, maybe I need to reboot my computer. Here, let me do something real quick. Let's add this to watch later. Watch later. Okay. That way you can at least close. You can at least close some of the stuff. That's done. Let's go back. And this is live, and nobody's there. That's fine. What am I doing? Okay, I'm still just in the browser. Alright, that's fine. Well then, let's pull up. Okay, let's copy that. Hold on a sec. Oh, stupid slow mode. That's alright. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. Well, I don't normally care if people come in. I mean, I do care if people come in and watch it, but see, it says it's still saying the stream's current bit rate is lower than the rate it's supposed to be. I don't get that. I wonder if I can modify the dang settings here. Let's see what output settings, stream output settings. Let's go back to that. Let's make this 7,000. I don't care. I'm gonna apply it. I don't know if that even matters, but we'll see. Let's see if something changed. Oh, let's see something here. Control minus lower than the recommended bit rate. Okay. What if I can put this outside? Yeah, I guess you're not really seeing that. You're just seeing my browser window. Why does it look excellent now? I don't get it. Everything says it's excellent, but we're still out. What am I out of sync for? I mean, I'm out of sync in OBS right now. Here, let me switch the scene here. Desktop. So, if you can see in the lower right, these ones up here are probably out of sync even more. But if you notice here, I'm just still out of sync for some strange reason. Maybe I need to reboot or restart stuff or something. I don't get it. I don't really have anything running in the background. What do I have up? I got Discord. I got HitchChat. I got Terminal. Yeah. There's a kind of a weird thing about using CUDA. You have to get something to start it, and I actually have a bookmark that tells me how to configure Linux in order so that I don't have to go in there. But to start CUDA, I have to do sudo nvidia-smi, and otherwise the stream doesn't work. But I don't get why. Weird. So who's ever is actually watching, which it might be just myself, that one might be just me, let me know somehow. If it's still out of sync. Does it still look out of sync here? Okay, let me switch to something else. Let's switch back to browser. It's way out of sync. Here, let's the trials and tribulations of a streamer. I don't know squat about streaming. I mean, I know how to use software basically, but that's about it. So, for some reason, OBS, yeah, that's just brave ads there. For some reason in OBS, my audio is out of sync today, and it wasn't yesterday. Running Linux Mint Debian Edition LMDE. I always spell this out and do LMDE because I wanted to pick up everything that's just Linux, and sometimes it doesn't know what LMDE is. And okay, just I don't know that this isn't really gonna say anything because I don't have any information to give it, but maybe the Brave browser AI helper Leo will help me out here, give me an idea. Kernel updates. No, that's not going to be low latency kernel. I don't think it's the kernel. It did recently update the kernel though, but that was a few days ago. That was before I started streaming. So audio settings in OBS correct. Correct audio device is selected, and the audio delay is set to 0. I don't know where I would put an audio delay because I shouldn't have an audio delay. I don't want to launch anyway. I want to open the stupid Show it. There we go. I don't like doing the stupid thing to the tray. I gotta figure out a setting to turn that stupid thing off. Okay. Oh, I forgot. You're just looking at the browser right now, which is fine. Sometimes I'll just say stuff and you're just like, what the heck is he talking about? And it'll just be because I'm on one scene. The first scene here is for the browser. The second is for LibreWriter because I sometimes I have my game notes up in there. And then there's the intermission screen, which is just an old I don't know, pause screen or just a thing that says Enchanted Lands or whatever, a little castle sketch, kind of crappy. But I just use it when I want to take a break and shut off the audio and stuff. Let's see, desktop. Oh, and desktop is this. It shows everything. And then Redot is Redot when I have Redot running. Anyways, still out of sync. Why is it out of sync? What it suggest? Yeah, reset it to default. I could do that, I guess. Audio settings, audio device. Here, let's check to make sure my output device or my input device is okay. That's correct. My output device is correct. Here, let's go to YouTube proper and here. Okay, I get audio. You probably don't get audio because I don't think I have the desktop audio turned on right now, which is okay, which is fine. Okay, I guess let me go back into OBS. Well, dang it. I want it to be on the deal here. Okay. Well, maybe I won't get to actually. Let's move this thing. Let's move this thing over like this. That. Well. That. Like that. Doesn't matter. Okay, so. Boop a doop. Settings, let's see what audio settings say. Here. Actually, let's do here. Just so it's on screen, let's go ahead and go to desktop so I can go into settings. I probably would have to mic auxiliary, desktop audio 2. Default disabled. That's because I have them turned off, I guess. What's the deal? Desktop and audio input capture pulse audio. Is that's supposedly from a microphone? Can I remove that? Do something first. Let's remove this. Remove. See, video capture device, display capture. Yes. So now let's see what happens. I'm still out of sync, apparently. Let's go back into settings. Let's go back into audio. And this is just, oh, I guess I can actually select a specific audio for desktop audio. Why is there a desktop audio and a desktop audio 2? Huh. I don't know why I have multiple deals here. What else we got? Advanced. That doesn't really tell me anything. Output. Audio. I don't know what that has to do, anything to do with. Stream. Wait. Streaming. Coder settings. I don't know. Okay, well. I'm not sure what to do. Any suggestions? Yeah, I'm not really sure why it's lagging though, because it's actually even lagging here in OBS, not just not like, I don't know, not just a delay or whatever for the stream. And I don't know what causes it. Maybe I need to reboot. Maybe it's how I started the NVIDIA encode stuff. Because yesterday I was just messing around with stuff before it worked. Audio out of sync, OBS forms. From YouTube, have the sound out of sync. I'm not sure by how much. Okay. Try recording some content without streaming to see if the audio is out of sync. If so, adjust the offset until the audio and video match. After that, try streaming. I'll certainly try it, but that doesn't say. That doesn't really tell me anything. No sound in LMDE. No, I think I'm getting sound. I'm pretty sure I'm getting sound. No sound on fresh installation. That's not it. Let's see. Okay, let's do something different since I'm just gonna work off the search. OBS, right? OBS, audio, video, out sync. Linux, Mint, Debian Edition, LMDE. Let's see what we got here. Low latency currently. I do have that audio control thing. I forgot that I had that. So let's go to sound and video. Let's go to pulse audio volume control, and I don't know what that would have anything to do with though. So yeah, output devices, line out plugged in, that's alright. Input devices, microphone. See, I do have a latency offset here, but that doesn't mean What do you use for streaming? Okay, so maybe I could adjust the latency here though. Maybe that would actually help something. Latency offset. Let's just increase it. Let's see what happens. How long is that? That's way out. Okay. Let's go all the way back down to 0. Yeah. How's that? Okay. Is this working? Okay. Now. Wait, so this is way off? Way off. Okay. I'm messing with the stupid latency. Maybe my video is actually going slower than it's supposed to. Maybe that's the problem. Because it doesn't seem like I can change the latency on the audio and help anything. So my video is actually going slower than it's supposed to. Maybe that's the deal. I'm not sure how to do that. Let's see. Let's go back to codec installation, OBS Studio settings, audio offset. Studio. What? I wonder what's different about studio mode. Is that like you can change to different cameras or something? I don't know. I don't get it. Audio. Where would an offset be? Global audio devices, decay rate. That's just that. Output. Audio. Replay buffer? No, I'm not doing the replay buffer. Advanced. Advanced. Stream delay. I'm not doing stream delay right now. Well, this doesn't show me anything about any sort of audio offset either, so I don't know what's going on. Stream. Huh. That's so weird. Well, I'm not sure what to do. So either I go on, I guess I could turn the video off, and maybe that won't matter as much. So I'm not sure. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and shut off. Just disable the. Oop. Let's disable display capture right now. It's still capturing audio, but at least now the sync doesn't have to bug you. Anyways, so maybe what I should do is just go ahead and attempt to. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I was going to, anyways. And so what we're gonna start here is we are going to first check Blender here. 3.4.1. Let's go to Blender. Where are we at? 3.4.3. And this is 3.4. Awesome. That's why I don't like package managers. Of course, this is Debian edition, so that's on me. I guess I could have got, Linux Mint regular, and I wouldn't have this problem. But let's see about downloading and installing. Okay, so let's just go ahead and download. And see, I don't even know anything about these tar files, really. Something I'll have to read up on. But I can go ahead and save it, and we'll see if we can extract it, because I think it's some sort of archival format. That is when it gets done downloading. And so we'll see there. Oh yeah, I forget who it was. What if it was? I don't know if it was Rookie or not, but suggesting that I put on a song, or that I should use a song for intermission or whatever, and then I did that for like a few seconds, and apparently YouTube pinged me on it. Although they didn't say that it was violating anything, so it wasn't a strike or anything like that. It was just the thing that was saying that it was copyrighted content, even though it supposedly doesn't affect anything. Just for like, I don't know, 10 seconds or something. It wasn't very long. Anyways, that was kind of interesting. Okay. Hmm. It does make me wonder why it would be out of sync when it wasn't earlier. This is OBS though. This is not a playback of a video file. Audio video out of sync. I tried OBS Studio to capture delay between the audio and the video, around a second. After recording the stream is not a problem. Huh. Maybe I should check, I'll check the video when I'm done streaming to see if the audio and the video was out of sync then, because maybe it wasn't actually, at least on the videos there. On the streaming it is though, so. Sync offset didn't seem to do anything. Find out what point the audio and video became out of sync. The video is generally delayed. Had to do change the resolution canvas. Restarting OBS Studio with the last used resolution, the problem was gone until I changed the resolution again. I'm not changing resolution though. It was just working yesterday. Oh, so basically, it's because it's a drop frame thing for somebody trying to record VHS. Huh. OBS on Reddit, huh? Recently changed the operating system of PC, Ubuntu Mate, then switched to Arch Linux. Arch on my machine, decided to put it on my streaming PC. Everything's set up, at least I thought it did. Ended up streaming for like 2 hours the other night, playback on Twitch. I noticed the whole stream was slightly behind the audio by about half a second or so. Yeah, it seems like the video is playing slower than the audio. It's not just that it's lagging, at least on mine. When I was just doing the test there, seemed to be there. Okay, so this should be downloaded. Let's open the folder. Yeah, let's delete these two. These are just... Can I not delete two things? Okay, there we go. And let's open this up. And honestly don't know what atar.exe file is. Maybe I should look up something about how to install. This looks like a folder, so if it's a folder, I can probably put it anywhere, right? Let's see something here. So, not download. Let's go, I guess, support or just documents maybe. Documentation. Let's see. Installing. Installing on Linux. Find the minimum requirements, different versions available. Okay, install. Download the Linux version for your architecture. Decompress the file to desired location. Blender cannot be launched by double clicking the executable. So it's not really. Yeah. Okay. So basically, you're just downloading the full thing. You're not downloading an install file. It's not installed. It's just copied into a folder, which is fine. Okay. So let's see. Where's the thing here? You know the thing. Okay. So let's extract this to. Where do we want to extract it to? You know, I don't really know. Here, I created a thing called dev stuff, so let's put. Why is test project in there? Well, maybe I'll have to create a folder called redot or something. I'm gonna go ahead and extract it here. No, let's do that. Stop. Extract. And we'll see here. And I'm not running Snap, so that's fine. Updates release can be downloaded directly from the Blender website. Install using step described in install from blender.org. Okay. Alrighty. Avoiding Alt mouse conflicts. Some window managers default to Alt left mouse button or Alt right mouse button for moving and resizing windows. Blender uses these for various operations, notably emulate 3-button mouse, select edge loops, changing multiple properties at once. To access Blender's full feature set, you can change the window manager settings to use the meta key instead, also called the super or Windows key. Enter the following command line effective at next login in GNOME or KDE. Huh. Oh, I see. In other words, I'd have to reboot before this will take effect. Okay, that's not a problem. Show the files. Now, Blender.desktop, I'm assuming, is a file I can run as an executable, and it will run the thing because it's a launcher. It's a desktop file, correct? Let's see if that works. Mark is trusted. I'll just go ahead and mark that as trusted just because it's Blender. And now is it going to start Blender on me for me? Let's close this. Okay. Error launching the application. Wonder why. Double clicking the executable. Let's check something here. Permissions. Okay, execute. So I'm not going to worry about this. Let's just run it from here, which is fine because the other was just a desktop file. I guess you don't launch it from desktop. I don't know. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. Continue. Okay, general. Everything seems to work as expected. New. Video editing. Excellent. Now, I don't really remember how to do stuff in this, but we can play around with it for a sec. Let's see something here. We'll go to videos, OBS, and 27. That's today when I attempted that stream earlier. Actually, let's do something here. I want to see if stuff and open new tab. I want to see if it turns out to be. I wonder if I should like delete some of these MKVs or something. I'm not sure, because I have it remixed to MP4 just to make uploading to like YouTube or something easier. Let's run this. Let's see what it says here. Okay, so apparently that was out of sync. Don't know why, but it was. I wonder if I could just use the MKVs here. Here, let's drop MKV in there. And awesome. Now I don't have a clue to what I'm doing because I haven't messed with the video editor in a while, so in a few months at least. So I am probably gonna have to run some tutorials and to kind of remember. Like I know how to pull this in here. Let's see. I remember that. Cool. And honestly, like I should, like I don't have a clue as to like. I guess I need to like review the streams too. I mean, this is 3 hours here. I'm gonna have to cut down to like a few minutes, and I don't have any clue as to where I should cut and where I shouldn't cut without just like watching it all. Because I didn't go in with like a plan. Like maybe I should have. Maybe I should have said at this point I should do this, and at this point I should do this. But I guess I'm just kind of learning here. So okay. So, and I might call it a day, and also I might not do any streaming or anything tomorrow because it's Thanksgiving. So I might not be doing anything till like next Monday, maybe, depending on how things look. Also, I'm going to play around here a little bit. Actually, I'm going to play around with, here. Let's just go ahead and close this. Don't save. I don't need to save it right now. Okay, so I guess I won't be editing this video today, you know, which is fine because it's Thanksgiving weekend, whatever you're gonna call it, and so yeah, so it's not a big deal, but we'll try to do better. The next time I'm on will probably be a regular dev stream, and I'm gonna see if I can, maybe between now and Monday, I'm gonna see if I can get the kinks ironed out as far as the sync problem. Could be just an need to be a reboot or something. I don't know, or it could be the way I accessed the thing. Actually, I have a thing here, including the edition that I'm running. I'm running Debian Bookworms version of Linux Mint. So that's Debian 12, which means this is probably LMDE 6 coming on October 10th. And he has a bunch of stuff on here. How to automate all that at startup. Create a file, the following content. Run NVIDIA SMI. I don't even know all this stuff. I don't even know what a service file is or whatever. Service type one shot. Okay. So I guess you create it in this folder. You do this. When create a file, run sudo system control daemon reload. Run sudo system control enable NVIDIA SMI.service, because you just created that service. Reboot your system. Now every Flatpak application is able to run CUDA without any manual intervention, not only OBS. And I guess, I don't know, it's claiming it's a Flatpak problem. I don't know if my version of OBS is Flatpak or not. I'll have to figure that out. Anyways, I guess thanks for bearing with me. It looks like 3 concurrent viewers, so maybe including myself, so maybe that's only 2 people. I know, Rookie, you're one of them, and I don't know who the other one is, but thanks for watching or listening or whatever, if you are, and I'll see you soon. Maybe Monday, maybe sooner, I'm not sure. I gotta figure this out of sync error thing, and maybe I'll do this thing that that this thing says, the NVIDIA SMI service thing. So we'll see. Okay. Anyways, thanks, and I'll talk to you later. Stop recording.